Hi, this is Mrs. T Chem Talk Teacher Tech. This is Beth Tuminello. Just putting out some videos to help you with what I learned in remote learning. Please like and subscribe, and if you turn on your notifications, you'll see when new videos come out. I do plan to have a lot of new videos coming out over the next short while. So this video is about Edpuzzle and reusing current Edpuzzle content. So if you don't already have an Edpuzzle account, I highly recommend that you set one up. And if you go to log in, if you already have an account, you can log in as a teacher. If you want to sign up, you would still click on the teacher, and I highly recommend that you sign in with your Google account if you have a school-issued Google account, because this email address will then link directly to your Google Classroom. Once you're in Edpuzzle and you are home, you'll get this regular landing page. But if I go to my content, I can see the videos that I've already assigned. If I want to reuse one of these, I just click on it. All my questions will be in there. This one has no questions, but I'm sorry. This one has different varieties, but anything that's already in there, I just click assign. And if I click assign, I can pick which class. I'm going to use my test class. And on my test class, I can, just the same way I would do anywhere else, I can toggle the start date and time. And when I toggle the start date, I always make my start time a time when I would be okay with my students getting a notification. Remember that they get notifications on their phone when you post things, so that if you don't post it in a regular time of day, you should always make it so that it doesn't get posted until an acceptable time of day. The due date, again, I always toggle the due date time so that it is closer to the end of the school day. I usually make mine, I usually make mine 2:15 or 3 o'clock because especially during a remote learning time, I like to keep the students on a regular schedule and have their work due not at midnight where they're staying up all night, all afternoon or all evening to do it. I want them to do it during the regular school day. Once I hit save, very important to hit prevent skipping. You can post it onto Google Classroom and assign. Now, if you did not want to post content that you already owned, or that not owned, but that you already had used, you can just go to my content still. You can go to add content and you can do upload a video. That wasn't it. You can do create a video, or you can just search Edpuzzle content. So you can reuse videos that are already in Edpuzzle, or you can search for content. So for example, I looked up acid base, which is where I got one of the videos from before. And maybe I just want to use this one, and notice that there are all different versions. There are different people who have used this video before and put their own questions in. So let's just say I want to use this one. I can preview the questions by looking here. I click on it and then I see, okay, well, let me look at the questions. I can edit it. And when I hit edit, that's where I can see which questions were posted by this person. Okay, so I think that these edits are good for me. I can hit finish and then I hit assign. So without actually my test class, prevent skipping, post on Google Classroom, go through the date and time I want it to start and end, and then click assign. And that's a way to use Edpuzzle without actually having to make your own videos on Edpuzzle. If you're new to Edpuzzle, I highly recommend this method. So this was for you a quick video about reusing Edpuzzle content. If you want to like and subscribe and turn on your notifications, there will be more videos coming. Thank you.